Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. It is a Thursday, so what is it? Another episode of Uthando Nesithembu, you guys. Hi, season 8, guys, izinto bona kuyasheshwa, guys. I mean, wife number 5, like, she just entered, you guys, but already tonight we're going to see that she's getting a proper introduction or proper welcoming into the family. I'm just like, okay, this was fast. Like, according to what we've heard in previous seasons, I don't remember any wife that was welcomed this fast, but anyway, I am not sure about that. But tonight, guys, we're going to see uSamke being welcomed, and it looks like uMatsele has called some of the family to come and welcome uLokuzana. Kono auntie ke, we can see abomama ke, they're there to welcome uSamke. Next thing we see uLokuzana uMatsele, she is calling the children. All the children basendlini to come and meet their new mother, and she's like, nangu mamncane wenu ilasborn. And I must say, guys, the reaction, or like, you know, one thing, like, it's giving, like, it's yes, she's there welcoming uSamke, but I'm just like, the way she said it, it was as if for me she's saying to the kids, ukuthi wozani nizobona manyala ke, wozani nizobona the type of decisions that your father makes, because everyone was shocked, guys. The kids was so shocked. And uLokuzana uSnatch says uyaphila Samke's like, ngiyaphila wena unjani? Ayiba uSamke nesibindi sakhe laphayana. Usne is so surprised, guys. She literally, her mouth literally opened like to say uSamke no engimaziyo, like here in the house. uLokuzana uMatsele then says ukuthi ayibo yini Sne, like uyamazi yini? Guys, yo, hi, I don't know what uMusa was thinking, guys, like this. Number 5, hi guys, lendaba that number 5 is there ngesivunguvungu, guys, and it looks like, hey, things are not good, guys. The atmosphere, yes, they're gonna welcome her, guys, but hey, I'm wondering, did uMusa really think this through? Because it looks like there's more damage than could be done. But listen, uMusa, he's a soldier for love. He's a soldier for love, so he's going to continue to soldier. Or uzoyifasta itisebenze, or will tell it gets to wherever he needs it to get to. Anyway, guys, we can't wait to see tonight's episode and see uSamke finally being welcomed. Guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.